In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ink to text pen tool in OneNote. If you like taking handwritten notes but also want the convenience of editable typed text, this feature can be really helpful. OneNote includes a built-in tool that converts handwriting into text, which makes your notes cleaner, easier to search, and simpler to organize later. I'm going to walk you through the process in a clear and practical way so you can start using it right away on your desktop. To begin, open your page in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're on the specific page where you want to work with handwriting or convert existing ink into text. If you've already written notes using a stylus, touchscreen, or even your mouse, this is the page you'll want to have in front of you before moving on. It helps to zoom in a little if your handwriting is small, just so everything is easier to see while you work. Once your page is open, click the Draw tab at the top of OneNote. This is where the inking tools live, including pens, highlighters, and conversion options. The Draw tab is especially useful if you regularly mix handwritten and typed notes because it gives you quick access to all the tools related to writing by hand. If you don't normally use this section, take a moment to look around so you can get familiar with where everything is. From there, look for the Convert section and click Ink to Text. This is the tool that tells OneNote to turn your handwritten writing into typed text. After you select it, OneNote will process the handwriting on the page and convert it into a more readable text format. This can be a real time saver, especially if you've taken quick handwritten notes during a meeting, class, or brainstorming session and want to clean them up afterward. For the best results, try to make sure your handwriting is reasonably clear before converting it. Neater writing usually leads to more accurate text recognition. If the conversion doesn't look quite right the first time, you may need to review the text and make small corrections manually. That's normal with handwriting recognition, especially if the writing is rushed or closely spaced. And that's all it takes to use the Ink to Text pen tool in OneNote. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and natural part of your note-taking workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.